Is it strong enough?
I think so.
Ouch!
Oh!
Did you hit your head? Oh no!
哎，朋友们好，昨天呢，这个工具房老牛已经地板给铺上去了。今天呢，主要就是给它固定一下，然后把门装好。
Okay.
他现在要把这个地板固定一下。
Now I even this out. Get even spaces.
每块板之间都留有空隙。
Let's see. That looks good.
这样它钉一排的钉子，就是把这个竖的和下边这个横着的木板连到了一起，并没有钉到那个水泥部分去。但这样也够了，这个板子比较稳固就行。这边也用，这边也钉一溜。
Probably just do 2 more rows in the middle.
2 more。钉子全钉好了，1、2、3、4， 4排钉子。
I can put more here and here, but I don't think I need it.
Okay.
Try it out. All right. So, is it strong enough?
I think so.
Ouch!
Oh!
Did you hit your head? Oh no! It's not too tall.
Yeah, I can dance here.
Okay.
Good. Definitely it's good. Okay.
All right. We'll try it. I'll definitely hit my head.
Okay.
That's enough.
That's enough. Yeah.
It works.
Definitely. Water break. 休息一下。What are you doing here?
I am cutting down this old fence.
Oh, yes.
So we can put it in the garbage.
Yeah, this fence is very ugly.
Yes.
Oh, you cut it off.
Time to go. Henry can come later. I'm making it small enough to put in the garbage can.
Okay. Too much rosemary. Yeah, I want to take this away.
Yeah.
This too much.
Yeah.
But keep the one clamp on the fence.
Right.
Keep that part. 这个木栅栏啊，很多年了，所以都已经腐烂了，非常难看了，所以要把它去掉。这边这个围栏我们还没有想好应该怎么弄它。那里还有一根那种铁丝的栅栏，可能暂时先留着它，可以种一些花，把它给遮盖起来，这样肯定也比较好看。
This is a little confusing.
Is it still readable? 上次被我用水给泡了，成这样的这个说明书。
Sure.
I thought you knew everything. Don't disappoint me.
Yeah, sorry.
老子把那个篱笆给剪一下，剪到垃圾桶里。老牛在教他怎么弄呢。对，别扎着手啊。
这一块扔进去。哦，然后还有一个新的。
还有什么新的？
哦，不是有2个垃圾桶去拿那个垃圾桶，因为这个也放到那个耳端那个可以。
不行。
手是可以拿。
对，手弄不了，得拿锯子。
是吧
？Did you figure it out?
No, not yet.
Oh, you start slow, huh? Yeah, you teach him how to do it.
Like a nail. Put your foot on it. Pull it off. No. Just pull that off like that. If you want these to be smaller, you cut them. Okay. Let me put a different blade.
对。
哦，看着你。
Soft. So soft.
这个可以用脚。
There you go. Good. You're only going to do this. You gotta go. You're not pressing all the way down. Press it. Press it. Now.
按到底。
Hear the difference?
Oh.
I press it a little bit. A little bit. See?
Yeah.
Press it all the way. Okay? That's where the power is.
The sound is different.
Okay. Henry. Step on.
这更容易，对吧？Alvin, stop it！ 这个地方拆完了，知道这里这么多树叶在这里。这里啊，对，你得把这个树叶给它挪走，这个特别容易起火的这个树叶。这个 rosemary 后面这个篱笆这木板还真的不好弄啊，怎么弄出来呀？这个哦，这棵花树实际上是我们这边种的，我还以为是邻居家的呀。怎么歪的这么厉害呢？全斜到那边去了。哎呀，刚才老牛锯篱笆的时候不小心把这个枝子锯断了。看这个 rosemary 下边，在后边也要添上土，也要低很多，把这些树叶子都要掏出来。
You should be able to pull that whole thing out now. Stop pulling that stuff out.
Did you figure it out?
Yes. This is the part figured out in front of the door.
Oh.
Oh, I breathed in a lot of pollen from that rosemary.
Yeah. Dusty.
I think it's rosemary pollen
Really?
from the
It's
plant.
pollen?
I don't think it's dirt.
Oh, I thought it's dirt. 后面这个围栏实在是太糟糕了，所以要把它去掉。好大呀！这木板子烂掉了都。Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, you didn't call me. Put this on.
This is good. See how? So I need to bring this one down.
Mm-hmm.
See how this is in the third hole?
Yeah.
I need to make it lower.
Well, it's very hot inside.
Oh, it's very hot in here. That's why I want to get done soon. Over here, it's I guess it has to go here. Very hot.
Mm-hmm.
It's a metal box. That's why you can't make me stay here.
打，
Yeah, let's try it.
把这个螺丝上，这个门就上来了。
Very cheap. So now I have to drop this one lower too.
No, very smooth.
No, I can put some oil on it. Let's try that. It's better. There you go. A cheap shed.
Let me try. Okay, it's fine. Not very good though. 工具房加地板加配件大概花了450美元。Just enough.
Everything for the garden goes in there.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do that.
Nice.
是吗？这个可以。3个，好像没有了。
对，挺好的。这个费劲。
应该没了。
差不多。就是你把那个树叶剪了哈。
树叶就放到那个桶里。
对。
就这些是吧？
对，这个树叶可以放那个我干的桶里。这2个桶就快装满了，把那个都装进来，那就得2个桶了。快弄完了吗？哦。朋友们看这个木栅栏清理掉之后啊，好看多了。后面我们会在这里栽一些爬藤的植物，把那个整个的那个铁的那个栅栏给它遮盖起来，就用花给它挡起来，这样就比较好看了。然后这个木板呢也基本上已经装好了，装了满满的2大垃圾桶。把这个树叶剪了。好了，今天的视频就分享到这里，我们下个视频再见吧。